you are new and welcome to my channel. It is Day back in a video for y'all, and today I'm going to be trying to install a 4x4 wig. This is my first time ever having a 4x4 like closure wig, and this hair right here was sent to me from Beauty Forever Hair, which was on Amazon. I did do like a whole wig review video, so go ahead and check that out. But yeah, this is a 4x4 wig. I've never done one of these, and I'm kind of scared to even put a wig on my head because, as y'all know, I took a wig break just because my edges was like getting torn out by wigs. So this is like my first wig that I'm putting on since I took the break or whatever. And I thought that a 4x4 would be perfect just because you don't have to like glue the sides. And that's the area like where my hair was like getting torn out, was right here and right here. So literally it's only going to be glued right here, and I'm okay with that. I honestly don't know how to really like install a 4x4. I've only worked with like 13x4 and 13x6, which are my favorites, by the way. But let's go ahead and try to install this and turn it into a whole brand new beach, period. So they did give me a wig cap, so we're gonna use that. I don't know if I'm gonna do like the whole ball cap method just because like it's not necessary. So I'm trying to see how I'm gonna do this. Okay, so it has clips on the inside. So I'm thinking like maybe I should leave a little bit of hair out just so that the clips can like slide in there. So let me just show you. So you see what I'm talking about? It has like clips all in there. So this will go on the back and these will go on the sides. And so that's why I left hair out, so it can kind of like slide in here. But another thing I'm gonna do real quick is like put my edges back, because I don't want no problems. Yeah, I'm so scared for real. Like that was literally like traumatizing to see like my edges being pulled out by wearing wigs. And I love wigs, y'all know that. But they started to grow back, as you can see. I'm not exactly sure why this feels like so challenging to me right now. I just feel like just because it's not like ear to ear. So like, what do you do with the hair on the sides is my question. The back is tucked in real good, real secure. And then we have to make sure the middle is in the middle, because it is like a middle part. I'm sure you could do a side part, but I just feel like with the hair, it just doesn't make sense to do a side part. So we're gonna try to do a middle part. And this side, I'm gonna put the clip in. I don't want it too like tight because I don't want it to take out my edges. Okay, so right now what I'm doing is cutting the lace. I need to go get some eyebrow razors just for hair, just because I know that those are better to use for wigs, but at the moment I got some scissors. So what I'm gonna do is try to cut the lace like just as close to the hair as possible to get like that more natural hairline look. And then you kind of like don't cut straight across, you kind of cut like zigzag or like weird ways to make it look a little bit more natural. Okay, so that's with the lace off. Okay, so I feel like it can be glueless, but what I'm gonna do is put just a little bit because I don't want it to like slide back or any of that. I don't know about this wig, y'all. Like I'm not really feeling it. I don't know. It was cute when I first got it and I pulled it out the box and everything. I'm hoping that it just needs to be straightened because I don't like this wavy whatever is going on with this hair. I don't know. I'm not liking it. I think honestly what it is, I'm just going through like a red hair phase, and I only want my hair red. So I think the color is what's like really bothering me. And the fact that it's so short. Like, I don't wear my hair this short. I just feel like my wig shouldn't be this short. But I don't know. I'm trying to make it work. So what I'm gonna do, I guess, because it's kind of like glued or whatever a little bit, I'm gonna see if I can straighten it and see if I like it. If I don't like it, then I think I'm gonna take it off. I think I'm gonna take this wig off if I just don't like it straightened. So what I'm gonna do is straighten it real quick. And I just want it like pin straight. Okay, so this is what it is so far. This was definitely a challenge to me personally, but yeah, this is what it's looking like so far. I'm about to tie down the front. Baby hairs are very questionable, very much questionable, but I don't know what to do at this point. So I'm gonna put the scarf on, and hopefully it just like lays a little bit flatter. But other than that, I think I'm pretty much done with this look. Okay, so it's been a couple of days since I attempted to do this 4x4 wig. And as y'all can see, you know what I'm saying, I did it, not this little piece, but I did it, but it's just not like giving. It's cute, but I wanted to like give. So I came back, regrouped, and I'm trying to see if I can like pluck it a little bit and make it look a little bit more natural and really make it give what it's supposed to give. So we gonna see, but I just can't do a 4x4, like, it's too hard to me. I don't understand how to do it. So what I'm doing now, I'm just taking some tweezers and I'm trying to pluck this hairline just a little bit. Just because it's not really like a hairline. It needs to be plucked. So you see I'm plucking the hairline, and I think it's getting better. It's giving a little bit more scalp. Now that I'm plucking it, I'm gonna keep going, and then once I get up here to the front to try to correct the baby hairs, fix the baby hairs, then I will come back. Okay, so now I'm trying to section the baby hairs to make them a little bit better than how they're looking before. A little bit more natural. I don't know how this is gonna turn out, but I'm gonna try my best. I don't know, y'all. Is this way giving? I don't know. I gotta do this side and then we gonna find out. I just feel like when you have a middle part, it's just too difficult for me. Like, I don't know how to do baby hairs. Like, so I'm gonna do this side and then we just gonna see. I don't know, like, what do y'all think? Like, I don't know how to do middle part baby hair. Like 4x4 baby hair. Like, I don't understand how to do it. My mama said it looked good, so if anybody else got something to say, you could argue with your mama, because my mama said it looked good, period. So yeah, I'm gonna spray some Got2b on there, and then we're gonna put some flips in it, and then I'm gonna show y'all the end result, and we're gonna be done with this video just because I'm sick of this. I'm only gonna wear this hair for about another week or so, and then I'm gonna take it out. So this is me trying a 4x4 for the first time. And really, I'm only wearing this wig just because it was sent to me. I purposely don't buy 4x4 wigs. Like, I like 13x6. I'll do a 13x4, but I prefer 13x6 when it's like ear to ear, and then I could do it as I please. But yeah, normally we not doing 4x4s. Heat it up. Let me show y'all how I do this super simple style, because I'm just gonna style my hair real quick so we can see the finished product. So because it has blonde in the front, I think it's really cute to like flip the blonde part. So I kind of do it in like 3 sections. I think you can do it in 1 if your flat iron is like big enough, but mine looks like this. So I take my hand, flip it, put it in there like that. Like that. And then I'm gonna do it again, just so it could be like super curly. Yeah, like that, see? So it's 1 piece. Same technique, hand like this, you're gonna go like that. And you kind of just do it slow and make sure you like turn your hand. And I'm gonna do it one more time. I don't like the end. Okay, and so what I do, I like to take the comb and I kind of just like to like play with it to my liking. Open the curls up a little bit. And then they kind of like form together. Boom, just like that. Yeah, and that's how I be wearing it, like that. And I'm gonna do the other side. Okay, so this is pretty much how it looks when I do my little flips. You can do like your whole head, but I just do the blonde part. I feel like it looks better that way, in my opinion, and it's just less time because it doesn't take that long to flip my hair. So this is pretty much what it looks like, what I'm working with. I think it's so cute, and I feel like it just makes the blonde pop more. Also, what I do is put a little bit of mousse, just a little bit, for the flyaways, because flyaways make me so mad. Like, they just make me so mad. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And it's a look. So this is the finished product of me installing a 4x4 wig from Beauty Forever. This hair is from Beauty Forever. I do like it. I do. At first I was a little skeptical, but I really do like the wig. I've gotten so many compliments on it. Y'all should definitely go cop. I want to know what y'all think. Please leave a comment down below. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn your post notification bell on so the next time that I drop a video, you don't know when, then you'll be notified. Also, make sure you follow me on social media because, baby, I've been slaying lately and y'all been missing the slay. So make sure you follow me on social media and I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys. Oh, and look at my nails. Yes. Check them out, check them out, check them out, check them out.